This is a 3-pound combat robot. It's called a multi-brain because the way it deals damage is by the whole robot spinning. Okay, there we go. Whoa! Okay, all right. Are you entertained?
Yeah, no, that was good. That was good.
The thing I really enjoyed about combat robotics, and part of the reason why I got into it in the first place, was just the low barrier for entry. So I was looking for something where I felt like I could take ownership of a project and like really work through it.
We have Scrappy 4.0. On the right side, we have Mick Wolverine. Left driver, are you ready?
Yes.
Right driver, are you ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, fight robots, fight! Both robots accelerate towards each other at great speeds.
In terms of robotics in general, I mean, there are several other robotics clubs here, and I think all of them do a pretty good job of just teaching you kind of the pipeline for like assembling, designing, working with teams. I think like ours is designed to be a little bit more individual in terms of you are the overseer of the entire project, and I got the opportunity to make mistakes and to try things out, and things that I probably wouldn't have had jurisdiction over in other clubs. I got the chance to do it because it was my robot and no one else's. And so I found that experience to be pretty invaluable, just in the sense that like I was forced to do it. If I wanted my robot to be done, I had to learn how to do these things. We're just trying to enable you so you can build your own project. Because I mean, that's the thing I love about my robot, is that I was the one who designed it. And so when I look at it, like all of its failures, all of its successes, like I was the one, like the sole proprietor in that. And when you see your robot get absolutely demolished, like it can be sad at times, but it's interesting and it's a learning experience that you get. And so I've appreciated that aspect of getting to come from class and then use the things I've learned in the world and actually utilize it to try to destroy other people's robots.